What it is that, yes, as you would expect, the law gives them the right to pursue a class action, saying that instead of each individual who was hurt pursuing a separate action, or for those who have died, instead of their families pursuing separate actions against the company, they have the option to put all together so that they will join hands and bring one action. It has its own advantages. Okay, of course, naturally there will be disadvantages as well. So class action, so to speak, are permitted in our law, can be done.
If the victims decide to pursue a class action, what could possibly be the outcome of something like this? Are we looking at an out-of-court settlement?
Well, we cannot preempt that, so it depends. Let's say so you can get an out-of-court settlement if both parties are able to, compromise on what they want. So let's say if some of the injured persons say, okay, they want X amount of money, medical bills and all that, and the company agrees, then yes, there can be out-of-court settlement. And it's actually encouraged, okay? So even in our training as lawyers, we are, as part of the rules, it's mandatory for us to attempt to settle cases. It's not as if when you take any case to a lawyer, then straight away he's jumping into court. No. We are actually obliged by law, the legal ethics that we use to attempt to settle. So that's how come lawyers will first write letters for the client. So let's say the lawyer will write to the company, oh, my clients have been injured, and so they want X, Y, Z. Then the company also gives to his lawyer. Then the lawyers will respond. There will be meetings. And if it works, then that's it. No court action. But if it doesn't work, then the injured persons have the right to go to court.
Okay. In this instance, government is also supporting. We understand it is in the right of the people to decide to take this line of action. But would you advise something like this? Wouldn't it be some bruises here and there?
Well, would I advise, I don't know whether, where I am, I'm not close to the action. I don't have all the facts. So I would not be in a position to advise legal action or not. It's those who are close who can. But definitely, if people have been hurt, some have lost family members. So the surviving persons have a right to sue in respect of the ones who are dead. So let's say a father is dead. If his children are alive, they are allowed to sue in negligence. They would say theft in relation to torts. Maybe the action of the company caused the death of their father or husband, so they want compensation. So they are allowed to.